the same fashion we were last time. Today we're going to be trying out this Eva NYC straightening brush. This company was kind enough to, excuse me, not Corona, was kind enough to send this over to me. This is blow dried hair. I blow dried it with a paddle brush, and I put some of my Verb Ghost oil in there too for a little bit of shine, like I always do whenever I blow dry it. No more talking, I'm gonna get right into it. Okay, so that's one side straightened, one side blow dried. So I would say like it definitely does straighten your hair, but it's not necessarily gonna get, if you have thick hair, it's not necessarily gonna get your hair bone straight. I think this probably works a lot better for people with like a looser curl pattern or like hair that's maybe just wavy to get it straight. I wouldn't rule it out. I would definitely say like if you like this kind of look, if you don't care for your hair to be bone straight but you just want to straighten it like a decent amount, they have 3 different settings on here. So I was using setting 355, 300, 355, and 430. I would probably never do 430 just because I don't want my hair to burn off. But if you want it to be straighter, maybe the higher heat might achieve that for you, but I personally wouldn't go that high. But yeah, it's not a flat iron at all. It's not gonna get your hair super straight, but maybe if you wear like a weave, that's like a silkier texture of hair, it'll probably work perfect on that. And excuse me, to be clear, I do have relaxed hair, so your roots, that's where my roots are like probably not as straight as they could be because I've kind of just been leaving them alone. I'm actually gonna do a look with some Kinky clip-ins for you guys soon, so this texture and this straightening is just about all I need, so we're gonna be using her more. But yeah, that's all for this tutorial. If you're on the fence and thinking about getting one, I would definitely say this is a reasonably priced one, and it does the job depending on what you want your hair to look like. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe if you like the content, and I will see you guys next time.